Now, my dear student, this is the next important method and this method is known as the by the hydroboration reduction method. This method is very important because in this method diborane is used along with alkene. It means when alkene react with diborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran, now monoalkyl borane is formed. Now this monoalkyl borane react with alkene, then dialkyl borane is formed. Dialkyl borane again react with alkene, form trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane on hydrolysis in basic medium, then primary alcohol is formed. In competitive examination, this is a very important reaction, and the format of reaction will be when alkene react with diborane, it form primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Here none of these. Then your answer will be primary alcohol, because you know when alkene react with diborane, only primary alcohol is formed. Clear? Now note down this reaction in your copy. Now another important method of preparation of alcohol is by oxymercuration and demercuration method. Right? In this method we react alkene with mercuric acetate along with water. In this reaction water act as the nucleophile. Clear? Do you know what is the Markovnikov rule? Markovnikov rule states that whenever an addendum is added to an unsymmetrical alkene, but1-ene is the unsymmetrical alkene, and this addendum is added on unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part will attack on that carbon atom which is having the less number of hydrogen atom. We will follow the Markovnikov rule and OH will attack over here and intermediate product is formed, and this intermediate product on reduction in presence of NaOH and sodium borohydride, then secondary alcohol is formed. It means this reaction is known as the oxymercuration and removal of mercury is the demercuration method. We are adding mercury here, that is why it is known as the oxymercuration. Here mercury is removed, therefore it is known as the demercuration method. The important point will be whenever we use water as the nucleophile, then secondary alcohol is formed, right? And this entire reaction you can note down in your copy. Clear? Now my dear student, next important reaction of the same method is when alkene react with mercury acetate and nucleophile is methyl alcohol, right? Methyl alcohol is the nucleophile, then ether is formed. If water is nucleophile, then secondary alcohol is formed, and this is an important reaction. It is an important concept. When methyl alcohol is used as a nucleophile, when alkene reacts with mercury acetate, then you will directly click the answer secondary ether is formed. If water is used as a nucleophile, then you will find out secondary alcohol is formed, and the method of reaction will be same as you have seen in the previous reaction. Methyl alcohol, mercury acetate complex will form, and this OCH3 group will attack on this carbon atom, and this reduction take place along with NaBH4 and NaOH, then ether is formed. Clear? Note down this reaction in a copy. Now my dear student, you have studied the method of preparation of alcohol by oxymercuration and demercuration method, and these two reactions has been asked in various competitive examination, and equation will be this one: alkene, mercuric acetate, water is act as a nucleophile, then what is X and what is Y. Similarly, if alkene react with mercuric acetate and in presence of nucleophile methyl alcohol, then X and Y is formed. Can you write the name of X and Y and complete this reaction in your copy? Please complete this reaction in your copy by following the oxymercuration and demercuration method. Clear? Note down. First of all, note down the reaction, then write the answer in your copy. Now, apply the concept of oxymercuration and deoxymercuration method in this reaction. When alkene react with mercuric acetate and water act as the nucleophile, you know the concept, secondary alcohol is formed. Now, this water nucleophile, OH part will attack over here and complex compound is formed. And when it undergo reduction with sodium borohydride and NaOH, then secondary alcohol is formed. Important point to remember is whenever water act as the nucleophile, then secondary alcohol is formed. If we are using alcohol as the nucleophile, then ether is formed. I have already told you in the method of preparation of alcohol by oxymercuration and deoxymercuration method, and mechanism will be same. Here in place of OH3, OCH3 will be attack on this carbon atom. After reduction with NaBH4 and NaOH, it will form ether. And this is the answer of the previous question. Clear? Now note down in your copy. Now I am again giving you the another equation which is based on oxymercuration and demercuration method. There is an alkene 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a but1-ene. When but1-ene undergo the reaction with mercuric acetate, and in this reaction water is the nucleophile, and what is the name of X? And X undergo the reduction with NaBH4 and NaOH, then Y is formed. Clear? Now write the name of, write the structure of X and Y. Same, the second equation, if but1-ene react with mercury acetate and alcohol is the nucleophile, then what is the name of X and Y? Write the structure of X and Y in this reaction, or complete this reaction in your copy.